What's up, guys? Welcome to another Work Wednesdays as I just go through my normal day. So happy hump day. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. So today I'm actually just working on a few new websites. So we get a lot of JV deals brought to us these days, and I just need to make it a simpler process for all parties involved. So I'm doing a JV website. That's one of the things I'm actually building it myself, because as you may or may not know, I have a marketing company, and I've created a lot of websites on my own. Of course, I have some people that do those for me now, but I actually enjoy it. So it's kind of fun making a little website here and there. So I'm creating a JV website so that we could partner with people all over the U.S. because we do deals everywhere. What else am I doing? I'm making a bird dog website as well. If you don't know what bird dog is, it's people that go out there and look for distressed properties for you, and they bring them to you, to be able to partner with you and that kind of thing. So we're doing a little bit different, not your typical bird dog method to where somebody brings you, you can do it a lot of ways. But anyways, I'm building a JV website, building a bird dog website, and I'm also trying to build out my personal brand website as well, just because by the end of the summer I'm hoping to have a course built just for wholesaling, and it's not just your basic course. I want it to be like so good that people will definitely get deals, if they go through that course. So I'm not trying to be a coach or a guru by any means, because that's just not who I am, and that's not what I ever want to do necessarily. What I am trying to do is just provide value. A lot of people have asked me, over the last 3 years really, if I had an online course, or if I'm a mentor, any of those things, which no, I'm not a mentor and I probably never will be, but I do see value in online courses because you can learn easier, the digital way, because I've done online courses myself, and I think they're great as long as you are utilizing it and following the steps in the process that's given to you. So that's kind of what I'm going to do. I'm going to lay it all out. Hopefully it'll be valuable, for anybody that ends up getting it. But really, I just want to make sure that it walks people through step by step from the very first thing you do when you start all the way till closing day. So that's the whole goal in my course that I'm going to, build out, which I've already started building it out right now. But anyways, so today I'm just kind of setting up the websites. At least my main priority for the short term, right away, is to build out this the bird dog website. That's actually first on my list, just because we have, we're in so many markets nationwide. We've got a bunch of people that want to find us deals, so we're building that out first. And I did mention, I'm doing it a lot different than most people probably do it, but that's for another time. So I'm building that out first, and then secondly, I'm actually building out so this is actually the one I'm working on, this small laptop here. That's the JV, well, not the JV, but that's the bird dog one. But then I'm working on the JV one because we do get deals come across all the time, people wanting us to dispo properties because they know that we have every buyer in the United States. So it makes sense to partner with us. You don't have to search for your own buyers if you don't have buyers in the area. So if you have any, hit me up. We'll be glad to move them for you. And on those deals, we just do a straight 50-50 is how we do our JV stuff. Anything you bring us, we split 50-50. Obviously, you got the deal, so you're getting half of it. But then we're making it profitable by doing all the work it takes to get paid on the deal. So we'll get the other 50. But anyway, so my first priority, which I've been working on all morning so far, and I worked on it yesterday evening as well a little bit, is the bird dogging website, just because, we're implementing that like ASAP, because we already have people doing some bird dogging for us, and we just need to streamline it a little easier. That's the main thing. A website is to make life easier, as opposed to telling somebody like, here's how you get started, here's what we need, here, all these things. The website will give them all that information and allow them to visualize it and see it for themselves to see if it's a fit or not. And if it is, great. They can partner with us and become a bird dog or whatever. I like to call them house hunters, so they'll be a house hunter for us. So that's what I'm building out. I should have that finished today. It's a simple website, but everything they click on will prompt them to the next step until ultimately they are a partner with us. So then I'll probably finish this within the next couple of hours, most likely. Then I'll be working on that JV website, ASAP, because I do want to get that out there. Because people are sending us deals. They'll either send them to me, or they might send them to my disposition manager. My transaction coordinator might get some sometimes. So it's just like, it's just easier if we can just send them to a website. Great, you got a deal? Awesome. Go to this website to submit it. So the website will be super simple. It's basic. We're not trying to be complicated. That's the whole point, is to make it all simple and streamlined to where they can just enter the property information, the pictures, and all those sort of things. Just makes it easier for everyone, really. The person that's giving us the deal, and for us as well. Then it's already, all the information is there. You don't have to ask for it. So anyways, but a quick tip: if you're dispoing properties, your chances of getting a sight unseen offer, I don't know what the percentage is, but it's a way higher probability of getting a sight unseen offer if you have a walkthrough video. So if you're not doing walkthrough videos, or you're just getting into wholesaling, remember that tip, because really detailed pictures of inside and out and a really good walkthrough video. I like to do too. When we have our own deals, we always do an exterior walkthrough video, walk around video, shows the entire exterior of the property and the land around it or whatever, and even a little bit of the neighborhood, just so people can get a feel for the whole neighborhood and street. And then we do a walkthrough video. And we always start from outside with our phone sideways, right? Walking in the front door, and they simply just state where they're at. Okay, when they're outside, like, here's the property address. Then you're just silent. There's not a lot of talking needed. But then we walk through the front door. Here's the living room. You're painting around the room, and then you just walk through every room like that and state what room you're in, just so buyers have a good idea of what they're looking at. And we do, probably 90% of the deals that we do are sight unseen offers. And then, the 10% that aren't are the ones we don't have a good walkthrough video on, or it's a JV deal that we didn't have opportunity to go get that. But finding people, boots on the ground, wherever you're at, is super easy. And I have a video on that if you want to search for that. I think it's called How to Find Boots on the Ground, something like that. So that's easy to do. It's very important, because it could also increase your assignment fee, because you might get a sight unseen offer, but it's hard to tell, so they're going to kind of lowball you. You might make $5 or $10,000, but if you had that good walkthrough video that showed everything, from the flooring to the ceiling, making sure you have everything covered, you'll get a bigger assignment fee, because then they have a better feel for it. And obviously, most of them want to get a walkthrough before they close anyways, but that's just to confirm everything that they saw. So as long as you do your job right, then you don't have anything to worry about. But anyways, yeah, so that's what my agenda is for the day. I'm definitely going to finish out my house hunter bird dogging website today, and I'm at least going to start on the JV website. And my personal brand, obviously I've had that website for a while, but once I have the course built out and that kind of thing, I'll make it public to where it's available for people to look at and check it out if they want to, And like I said, the course, I'm really only doing it because a ton of people have hit me up, even from when I first started, because I did start, September 2018, and I started off with success like month one. So by December, I was already on the podcast. So I already had people hit me up like, hey, can you help me out? Blah, blah, blah. Do you have a core? Anything. So really, it's been over the last 3 years. Excuse me. Went to this awesome place in town. I live in Castle Rock, Colorado. It's called Perry's Pizza. It's the best pizza around, definitely in this area. But it's probably one of my favorite pizza places anywhere in the country. I love pizza. Anyways, so that is my to-go drink from lunch. But so the course, I'm really doing it because a lot of people have hit me up and asked me for it. So and not even asked me directly for a course, but they're just asking for help. And I love to help people, but there's only one of me. I only have a certain amount of time in a day. Obviously, I have my own business to run. Obviously, I'm creating content every day as well. And I have multiple businesses to run. Actually, there's 4 different legs to my business. I've got my marketing company that we created to mom and pop businesses doing websites and SEO and stuff like that, and social media management. And then I've got obviously my wholesaling business, my fix and flip business, and my my rental business. And also, I'm creating content. So really, there's kind of 5 legs at this point. But then, it's going to turn into more legs because our whole JV department will probably turn into its own thing. The bird dogging thing potentially could turn into its own thing. But they're all intermingled. They all are very like each other, for lack of better words. Even the marketing company, I don't pursue new customers. I won't even take a new customer unless it's really recommended from a friend and they really want me to, us to do a website for them or provide SEO for them or maybe manage their social media account, which we don't love to do that. I honestly hate to do that. So I typically will even turn down the ones that really, really, really want us to do it. But if it's a website or something, we do website as a service, so it's subscription based, so we get monthly revenue on that. Of course, SEO is the same way, search engine optimization. So we'll do that if somebody really wants us to, but otherwise, even if we lose a customer, we don't replace them because I don't really pursue that business at all. It's decent passive income for now, but my main focus is 100% real estate. So anything real estate related. That's what we do. So anyways, hopefully you found some value in this, and it's just kind of my day so far, just working on these websites. And let me know if you have any deals that you need to move. We'd love to JV with you. We JV all the time with people. Now I'm just bringing us properties that, hey, I've got this property in such and such town and we don't know a soul in that town. Well, we don't either, but the good news is we have the buyers there because we have literally over 2 million buyers nationwide. And it's not just buyers that say they're buyers that give email addresses out. These are actual proven buyers that have flipped properties within that specific area in recent times. So it's not wannabe buyers, it's actual buyers. So anyways, please subscribe if you haven't already. It definitely helps. I'm obviously trying to grow this channel, so definitely do that for me if you don't mind. If you've gotten value out of this video or any of my videos, why not hit the subscribe button? It's free, costs you nothing. Definitely like it. It helps the algorithms and helps suggest my videos to other people that are searching for this information. So anyways, thanks a lot for your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.